T minus 3, 2, 1, go.
Alrighty, and our robots are off for this match. Starting over in the blue alliance, we have some excellent human players shooting, and then also shooting from 9160 and 1592. Our red alliance is flying over there too, with our human players hitting almost every shot. We've seen them taking 5993 and 8841, going crazy during their autonomous period. And your autonomous period with a score of a red 43 to blue 22. Obviously, it's anybody's game here. Enough time to come back in our driver control tele-op period. Over in our center of the field, picking up as much fuel as possible. The Red Alliance, while they don't have control of their hub right now, they are trying to get as much fuel as possible over onto the red side of the field. A big strategy we're seeing all alliances play at this event. Over on our blue side of the field, though, 9160 and 1592, all alliance partners are picking up as much fuel as possible. 1557 is trying to focus on getting fuel to their alliance. This is human players, though, and our red hub activates. Over on the red side of the field, over on our red side of the field, we see 8324 doing quick cycle times over on their side of the field to try and make up for the lost time that they had while the blue hub was activated. Remember, all that fuel that they're shooting goes back into the middle of the field, so they're going to spend that 30-second period that their hub is off trying to get as much fuel onto their side of the field as possible. An issue over on the Red Alliance, Meko seems to be stopped on one of the bumps. That could lead to some issues going into the next period, but their alliance partners help them off, and they are back on track. Over on the blue side, we see the Bionic Tires shooting for their alliance, trying to make up the 40-point lead that the Red Alliance currently has. With 1 minute left in the match, there is still time to come through. With their human players on the blue side consistently shooting accurately, they're trying to make up that difference. But the red side is going right now, and they are seeing a huge increase in their score. In the last 10 seconds, they've been able to shoot about 50 points into their hub. Iztech Robotics has those quick cycle times over on their side of the field, which is allowing them to get as much fuel as possible into that red hub before our end game that just sounded. Robots will begin to shoot the last fuel that they can for the match and try to climb the tower for more additional points. At this event, we're seeing fast cycle times in the end game, really focusing on fuel to get each of those alliances ahead. Red is ahead by about 100 points going into the last 10 seconds of the match. Blue Alliance will try to close that lead as much as possible, but both 83-24 and 59-93's quick cycle times might make that difficult. Let's see how things shake out. Our scores are in. And it's going to be the Red Alliance coming out victorious of this match with a score of 226 to 104. Again, that quick fuel cycle time from 83-24 and 59-93 were the key in their victory. Congratulations to both alliances.